two ways to get PDF bank statements into QuickBooks Desktop: IIF or QBO Web Connect. The difference matters. IIF lets you pre-categorize transactions before import. QBO Web Connect does not. Categories have to be assigned by hand inside QuickBooks afterward. Here in DocuClipper, the PDF bank statement is already extracted. Every transaction has a date, description, and amount, and the running balance matches the printed statement. When you're ready to push to QuickBooks Desktop, click Download Data in the top right and pick IIF. The file downloads in a couple of seconds. Switch over to QuickBooks Desktop. Open the File menu, go to Utilities, then Import, then IIF Files. Pick the file you just downloaded. The transactions land in your registers with categories applied if you set them up first. Open your chart of accounts to confirm each transaction posted to the right category. That's it. What used to take an hour of manual entry takes under 3 minutes. Link in the description for a free trial. No credit card needed.